welcome to ADVHQ again. We've trailered again, but this time we're on the Xtrainer. New location again, nice and green out here, plenty of rain in Queensland. But hang on, what's this? It's another trailer, and it's a KTM again, with a Hilux. And some bloke's into the gazebo. Who's this? Oh, it's the bearded burbler again.
How are you?
Good, Gamble, how are you, mate?
Good, good, good.
So we're meeting up again, setting up the party tent.
Yeah, going to that tunnel, I think it's called.
Oh, yeah. And don't say where we're going, man. We'll get in trouble.
I will, I think it's blurred out.
So hopefully we have a weekend of riding, camping, and no injuries, please.
They're not glad to injure themselves.
The Gambler's got his swag under his cover there. We've got a fire pit down here. That'll be nice, coming in the winter now. And then as we pan around, his bike's off the trailer, ready to go. Oh, he's chucking on his gear. He'll be waiting on Jace, poor bloke. So we'll gear up now, that's my swag under there. My bike's off. Swag. We've just had a pie for lunch. Good sustenance for the ride. We thought this might have been the beginning, leading to some tracks, but it was a failure. No singles here. Alright, here we go, start of our, hopefully the proper ride. We moved on to another promising area. Again, it had some overgrown tracks, but a little down the way we came across a property with a bloke who told us we were in the wrong area. Failure 2. Tracks, man, eh? And
no,
yeah.
A lot of guys want to try and get to the state forest too.
Okay, it's that way, okay.
You got to be a crusty demon if you're going to go that one, mate, because it's... Oh, really?
All right, no, that's not us, yeah, yeah.
No, not me either.
Oh, we found some single tracks, so that's good. Plenty of rain, I guess. The 220. No. I veered off it. Unfortunately, my camera died before this gnarly hill climb. It wasn't so much as steep as it was tyre swallowing and line destroying little ruts. I got lucky and crawled up, just fluked a good line. One to the beater over the KTM here, but my turn certainly came.
I didn't realise. That's a big hill.
Yeah. Xtrainer ate it for breakfast, mate.
Your camera still? No. I'll
Oh, is mine off?
Yeah.
No way. So it didn't get me going up the hill.
I don't know. Did you turn it off when you stopped?
No.
I don't know.
This could get interesting.
That's what you do.
He knows what he's doing, this bloke.
Done this before. All done. How far?
And we've just, we'll be right tonight. We'll be warm.
Still, it's new, your bike.
She's done well, the beater.
Sure has.
And the KTM, we're back. Found some good tracks. Indicators on a dirt bike.
That's the ridiculous thing in the world. Why?
Even the kookaburras are laughing.
I'll come back to this later. I did both my terse elbows, and I've got quarters on each. Can you fix my mistakes, Jason?
Oh, it's cold. Oh, good morning, Gamble.
Good morning.
How'd you sleep?
Beautiful.
Beautiful, eh?
Beautiful.
Well, no wonder, you're in a motel.
Got three mattresses in there, so pretty comfy.
That's awesome. Just enjoying the fire, mate?
Yeah, beautiful. A bit warm, I had to sit back so far. A bit hot.
It was a bit cool this morning. Our bikes are still there, that's a good start. I slept well in the swag. So far so good. Let's have a look at this day. Looks like it's going to be a rad day. You know what today looks like a good day for?
Riding.
Finding single trails.
Beautiful.
Yeah,
There's a pivot turn track around the log, but it's hell. Might go back that way.
Oh, if you want a flowy single, I'll show you it.
Yeah.
Follow me, guys.
Beautiful.
I'll show you.
Oh, I'll hold you up, mate, for sure.
Are you alright? Go.
I'm a very casual rider.
Jesus.
Momentum is the key. Don't touch that halfway, you keep stopping.
Yeah. I don't have the skills for this, eh?
You will. Before you know it, actually, strangely enough. And you've got the bike for the job.
I know.
Trust me.
I'm not blaming the bike, mate. Eh?
This is a 22, eh?
It is, yeah.
So
Beautiful bike.
the goal when you're on an off-camber thing like that is to try and focus your put your foot on that side, but keep your ass and stuff to this side of the bike.
Okay.
And don't give it too much rev, just enough to let it just move. So you don't break traction. As soon as you break traction, your ass is going to come out, and you just crawl it up here. And once you get to there, just go bang straight up around there, and up there, and you'll be right. This is all nothing. Yesterday we were riding. It was like this.
What?
Really?
And huge ruts and
Around here?
yeah, dude, this place is nuts.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What, you like hill climbs?
No.
Not massive hill climbs.
Oh, trust me, they're big.
Nothing like this. Nice flowy ones are always fun.
No, you don't always get to choose which one.
That's a good call. Appreciate your help, mate.
Yeah,
eh?
That's cool. We'll make sure everyone gets through.
Yeah.
Yeah, no,
We thanked off Beat Trax for showing us around and helping us up that hill, but we didn't want to keep holding them up and went our separate ways. Top bloke. you think? Yeah. We turn around and keep going.
As it gets steep, does it?
Quite steep.
Well, thanks for watching, guys. This is an awesome little weekend getaway. No doubt we'll be back here and we'll see what the next adventure shows. So, thanks for watching. We'll sign out here. Cheers, Uru. Well, thanks for the weekend, mate.
Thanks, bud.
Yeah.
Always a pleasure.
That was awesome.
Do it again soon, eh?
Yeah, hell yeah.